Welcome to my Science Circus, where learning is fun. Welcome to my Science Circus. My name is Nakira Carthen. I am going to welcome you to my Science Circus. At my Science Circus, there are fun informational games for you to play. I hope that you enjoy yourself as you tour my Science Circus. The first station that we are going to go to is our galaxy sugar crystals. Crystals are ionic molecules that form patterns and they mold together, make bonds, and mold together to become um, different shapes like snowflakes and rock candy. So I know you don't traditionally see rock candy at a circus, but guess what? This is my circus, so we're gonna have rock candy. So what you're gonna need for the circus is a 64-ounce bag of sugar, 2 cups of water, a saucepan, and we're gonna have stoves and microwaves at our science circus. So you're gonna have need food coloring, some glitter, and if you want to, you can add some beads. You can add some um, anything that you want to add to make your rock candy um, pretty. You can do just that, as long as it's edible. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna actually measure your water. You're gonna have 2 cups of water put in your saucepan and you're gonna boil them. Once you boil your water and it comes to a boil, I want you to add 6 cups of sugar. You are going to stir your sugar until it dissolves and make sure after it dissolves you cut it off and let it cool for a few minutes. Then you're going to take it and you're going to pour 2 cups of our sugar water into our mason jars. Once you pour it into the mason jars, I want you to add food coloring. You can use any color that you desire, whatever color you want your rock candy to be. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to add your food coloring. You can add crystals, you can add beads, edible beads, whatever you want to add, marbles to make your rock candy look pretty. After we add our food coloring, we're going to add some glitter and make it shine. We're going to take our popsicle sticks and you're going to stick it inside your mason jars so that you'll be able to shape your rock candy. So since this is not an ordinary circus, we are going to let that sit for about a week. You can come back to the circus because guess what? You're going to eat your candy. The next one we're going to do is a paper plate carousel. You are going to go ahead and bring 2 paper plates, a paper bowl. You're going to have a glue gun. You're going to need some acrylic paint. You're going to need a paper towel roll and some wood sticks and a few sheets of construction paper. And what you're going to do with your paper carousel is you are going to paint your paper plate and paint your paper bowl. Then you're going to draw a circle inside the center and cut it out. After you cut out your circle in your center, you are going to use your hot glue gun and you're going to glue your paper plates onto your paper towel roll. After you do that, I want you to draw some horses on your construction paper, cut those out, and then hot glue those to your wooden sticks. After you hot glue them to your wooden sticks, I want you to hot glue your wooden sticks to your paper plate. And guess what you're going to make? A carousel. Also, I just want you to have a little piece of egg carton so that we can put it on the bottom of our carousel so they can stand up eat. When you're done, you should have a nice, colorful carousel. The next thing we're going to do is our elephant toothpaste explosion. An elephant is the most popular, to me, the most popular animal at the circus. So we are going to use glue. We are going to use toothpaste. We're going to use food coloring. Now, mind you, toothpaste is a chemical because it includes hydrogen peroxide and yeast. Those two mixed together make a gas, and that gas forms heat. When you start your explosion, remember you need to make sure you wear your safety goggles so that you can protect your eyes. Even if you wear glasses, please put on your safety goggles. So when you are mixing your mixture together to make your explosion, remember do not touch the toothpaste because the gas is going to form heat. So we don't want anyone to be getting those chemicals on them because they are very dangerous. The next thing we're gonna do in the next part of our tour is gonna be our slime. Who knew that we would have slime at a circus? But guess what? We do. Guess why? Because this is our circus, so we can do that. So our kitty slime. You're gonna use white glue, liquid laundry detergent. I am gonna use red food coloring. We need a measuring cup and we need a small bowl. You can use whatever color food coloring you want, but for our red, for our kitty slime, we're going to use red food color. You are going to mix your ingredients up in a small bowl. Make sure that you are very careful because guess what? Slimes get very messy. Very messy. So you are going to mix them together. Once you mix them together, I want you to have a fun, good time with your slime. Guess what? You also can take your slime home. It's yours. Once you're done with this station, you are welcome to play with your slime and take it with you. Now, what's the most popular thing at a circus? Popcorn. Yes, yes, yes. We are going to do popping popcorn. When we go to the circus, we have to get us some delicious popcorn. So in this experiment, you need popcorn kernels, mason jars, hot water, a saucepan, um, some vegetable oil, and what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we also have a pencil, pen, and paper so that we can record our results. Now, the question that we're going to ask ourselves are, how would this taste? How long it would take to pop the popcorn? Will the popcorn even pop in the first place? So, what we're going to do is, mind you, all of our experiments, they all had math. We all had to measure out different cups of ingredients. So that included our math. We had to compare and we had to contrast certain um, things in our experiments, just like this popcorn. We are going to write our results and we're going to compare how each set of kernels popped. Now, mind you, also this is our circus, so we're going to definitely have a microwave at our circus. Let's get to it. So you're going to take 1/4 cup of kernels and you're going to soak them in your water for 1 hour. Then you're going to take another 1/4 cup of kernels and soak them in your vegetable oil for 1 hour. The next group of kernels, you're going to take 1/4 cup and you're going to put them in your microwave and let them cook for 40 seconds and take them out. After that, we're going to have 1/4 cup of plain popcorn kernels. So, what we're going to do is we're going to use our mason jars to have our popcorn separated so that we can know which popcorn is which. We are going to label them to make sure that we know which one is the one that set in the water, which one is the one that set in the vegetable oil, which one was plain, and which one was in the microwave for 40 seconds. Once you're done labeling your mason jars, guess what I want you to do? Get those kernels in the microwave and get to popping. Oh yes, get to popping. Now, what I also want you to know is because this is the circus, yes, I said it. You get to eat the popcorn. It's yours. So, I hope you guys enjoyed taking a tour on my science circus, and make sure you know also and pay attention to my references. That's what I use to um, get some information about my science circus. I appreciate you guys for coming on this tour with me. Thank you.